Excuse me if my speech is a little off because I have psychosis, but I'm just going to try to explain this the best that I can because I really need some help here. This is a new bike. It's a Yaeccc, I'm pretty sure, or Yaeccc, Yaeccc or Yaeccc, one of the two. And this bike has been running. It's a new motor, new everything. It has been running. So I know I'm getting compression. But I'll try to explain what the problem is. Basically, if you look in there, it is pretty dry, and it's been running before. So I don't see why it's so clean, like why there's no carbon buildup or like at least some fuel mixture residue in there. It's pretty dry. And there's also oil coming from my exhaust. I can see it dripping out when I go take it out to the road for test rides. Yeah, so there's like fuel or oil, pretty dark oil, but not dark enough to clog it up. But if there's oil coming out of the exhaust and there's nothing in this chamber, I just don't really understand that. I tried switching to this racing carb, and I was on the road enough to know that if it was a carburetor issue, especially since I dicked around with the NT carburetor before I put this one on, I would know if it's a carburetor issue, but it's definitely not. I checked the magneto. It's very clean, good connections, but I need to know why there's not any oil and gas mixture in the chamber, in the whatever this is called. We'll call it a chamber. Gasket's fine. There's no residue on the top of the cylinder. This is fine. No damage. So I need to know what's going on with this. Thanks.